So tell me, how do we know we did it right or we did it wrong? If you did it right, you save this file in your folder, in the right folder. Check your local files. You should see your image folder right here. And there's a mercury.txt file. If you cannot see your image folder, means you might save it wrong place. And right here in this corner, if you want to see all your picture, your images, you can just hit this, the plus, and all your images will show up. Raise any, right? Okay. Now let's save it. So go to your file, save as. Tell me the file name, because this is our home page, so it's going to be our index.html. So, index.html. Looks good and it's safe. All right, so right here.
It's just a second to get files.
Okay. So after you save your index.html, right here you will add one more HTML file right here. Good? Okay, we have our files. Now we have to modify our page properties. So go to your modify. On top, modify. And page properties. Okay, are you with me right now?
No, give us just a second. We'll need to get into that again. Could you go back into this, because she's all caught up, except for how to open that up, where you found that dialog box. You're welcome.
Okay. And just save. Alright. Alright, go to your modify page properties. And right here we select appearance HTML. Right here. So for our background image, because we have background image for our website, for this website, so we are going to use our background image. If you don't have any background image, you want just, insert some color like a black or yellow, green, you can just go to background. Okay? See the difference? The background is for you to insert like some certain color, but if you have some image you want to use as background, you go to background images. So let's insert our background image. Go to your images and find the background. It should be BG right here. BG underscore black underscore white. Select and OK. we're gonna do something to our link. So the link is usually like the blue. When you see some words or some text or some picture, it could be a link. It always show like numbering blue color, right? So hit this little square right here, and I find something more likely blue, and I write down the code right here. So let's find a COM000CC. The blue, but of course you can use another different color. Let's just everybody just do the same thing. So that is one. And for our visited link, like sometimes when you click a link and it will show you, okay, you already visited this link. So it will show you like a red or some purple, right? So let's find a color for that one. And the code is right here. Can you see it? Okay. So we have our link color, we have our list color, we also have our background image. Okay? So far so good. The next thing is very important. Just we need to name our title. Can someone tell me what's title for?
Search and
Here's the top of the page.
Right. The title is for people to search your website, or the search is like when we put the code in our HTML, the name will show on your top of your tape, like Mercury or something. So go to your title right here, encoding, and let's name our title. Our title is gonna be Mercury. That's it. So we have our background images, everything. We have our title. Everything looks fine, looks good. Okay. Okay. So if you did everything right, your screen should look like this. Okay. Good.
where do you set the margins? I mean, do you have to do that? Do you have to do, I mean, since we already have that running, do you have to set the margin?
Oh, you would do that. I found someone has a different screen. If you are not on the design screen, so like someone they might stay on sprint. So you will see have your code, have your screen. So you might just see the whole thing. So I will suggest you just stay on the design, that you can see things clear. Okay. So we have this. Okay. Now we are going to make our table, our big table, our layout. All right. Go to your insert. And your table. Okay. Because we need 2 columns and 2 rows for this website, for this table. So we're gonna type 2 rows and 2. It depends on how many columns and rows you are making. So you can always change the number right here. And for our table width, what's the size? What's the table width? 1,000. Yes. 1,000. And right here, don't forget it's pixels. And your border thickness is gonna be 0 because you don't want to see your border, your line. So just type 0. Alright, if you got everything, just hit OK. Now we need to define, we have to resize our table. We want our table not just 50-50. We want our table like for first column smaller because we're gonna put more content and paragraph in our second row. So we have to resize these columns and the rows. So select these 2 cells.
Show again, which, show your,
Okay. Just move over your mouse and select. Like how you highlight,
select,
just select. Highlight the text or words.
just those first 2 or all?
Just
the first 2. Do you have how wide did you make it? How many cells wide did you make yours? It's supposed to be 2 and 2. Go undo until you undone it. There you go. Okay, insert your table.
Yeah.
Give her just a second because her table's. Now select them.
And
Just those 2, not all 4. Just the 2.
let's change the size.
There you go. You're all set.
So just type. We want our first column is gonna be 225. So just type your 225 on your V, on W, not on your H. So just type it. 225. Okay. And select the other 2 cells.
You don't have to generate, do you touch enter or just?
I just keep.
So do you do the below the link?
You can hit enter if you want, Rhonda, but you don't have to. Because when you go on to the next step, it automatically enters it for you.
But enter. Okay. Alright, and select another 2 cells and just type width right here. 775 and hit enter. Are you with me now? I think everybody got it.